Hi guys, have a very good morning. You know that I posted a video before some months about my Mura Paniculoto stuffs. I know that I made all the jeans here and here, but didn't apply land sulfur till now. Sure, here is another one. Here it is. It will be good stuff, maybe it will be backside, and this one is the front. I decided it as the front because of a very beautiful texture and some dead woods on the lower trunk line. Okay, but my main problem is about this guy, this one. Okay, have a close look. Actually it's too tall. I think that's why I want to reduce the size, and for that reason I made a layer on the middle part. Yeah, take close look. You know that it's my another technique, and I posted a video about it, about this kind of air layering. In this kind of method you can get a very beautiful nebari in future, because the roots will grow towards the sideward, Here it is. Okay, now making another layer on this guy, on this stuff. It's a sesame tree, and that I made this upper part. Yeah, it's here. I made it another tree before some years, and then I made the gene. This one, this is the deadwood, and now I'm also want to make another tree, and I have to cut it here. That's why I'm making an air layer here also. Okay, just stay close and just follow the technique. Though you can follow this technique also in my previous video, and I will surely give the video link in the description box below. Okay, stay close guys. That I splitted all the bark line in a circular rotation, and but some cambium tissues are there, that now I have to clear it properly. You can do it by a knife, by a sharp knife also. And that when you wanna make the air layer, then you have to clear properly the cambium tissue, and that the sesame wood is very hard, but the backline is very soft and very thick, and that's why the root will come very easily from the backline. Yep, that I've done all the cleaning section, I just clean the cambium tissue and the bark in a circular rotation in the trunk line. Yeah, it's okay. Now I have to split the bark, this 1 centimeter. I have to split it. Okay, stay close and keep watching. I know that I discussed about this method, this technique of air layering before. You can see it in my playlist, or I will slowly give the link in the description box below. You can see here also. Okay, then stay close, and one thing, don't skip the video. Now I'm using some sticks, some pieces of sticks, and you can use matchsticks also. I slitted the bark. Yeah, you can see. Now I have to push the sticks under the bark line. Yeah, just like this. And for that, the thick bark is just going sidewards, and when the root will grow from the cambium tissue or the bark tissue, then it will grow to the sideway but not the lower direction, okay. Okay, I'm just pushing the sticks under the bark, just like it. Yeah,